Why is creating a masked numpy array so slow with mask is equal to none or mask is equal to 0? Today I profiled a function and I found a, at least to me, weird bottleneck. Creating a masked array with mask is equal to none or mask is equal to 0 to initialize a mask with all zeros but the same shape as the data is very slow. On the other hand, using mask is equal to false or creating the mask by hand is much faster. Why is giving none or 0 almost 2000 times slower than false or np.zeros, data.shape, as mask parameter? Given that the function docs only says that it must be convertible to an array of booleans with the same shape as data. True indicates a masked, i.e. invalid, data. I use Python 3.5, Numpy 1.11.0 on Windows 10.
Mask equals false is special cased in the number pi 1.11.0 source code. Mask equals 0 or mask equals none take the slow path, making a zero-dimensional mask array and going through NP, resize to resize it.
I believe that user 2357112 has the explanation. I profiled both cases. Here are the results. So it seems that the concatenation step of arrays is the bottleneck.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.